wish you all a Merry Christmas and also a very Happy New Year in advance. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Myself Priyanka, and as from the title you all know that today's video is going to be all about the testing out some different quick and easy beauty and makeup hacks. So yes, in today's video I'm going to testing out some beauty and makeup hacks, plus we will see that whether they are really working or not. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get started with the very first hack. So the very first hack that I have selected for this video is a hack in which a girl is creating a very perfect eyebrow shape with the help of this angular shape plucker pen. So I'm also going to do the same thing with this plucker pen, which is the angular shape plucker pen, and I'm also going to take this dark brown cream shade for creating this eyebrow shape. And you can see I'm dipping this in this cream, and let's see how it works. Okay, it's quite working. So for the first hack, I feel that this hack is quite good and it actually works quite well with the cream based eyebrow products. But if you use the powder based eyebrow products, then you will not find the opaque shape, because the powder is not long lasting till your till the end of your eyebrow. So I feel that you can use this hack with the cream based eyebrow products, because I have tried this hack with the cream as well as the powder based eyebrow products, and surprisingly this hack actually works quite well with the cream based eyebrow products. And you can easily create the eyebrow shape with the very light, and you just have to hold this plucker pen with the very light hand and you just have to create the shape of your eyebrows. It's quite easy and simple, and yeah, definitely it's a thumbs up hack from my side. So for the next hack, I have selected that a girl is using a Q-tip for the perfect application of the liquid lipstick. So let's see how actually it works. So for this hack, I feel that this hack is really good and it actually works quite well, the liquid lipsticks, because I feel when we apply the liquid lipstick in the general way, it gets little messy on the outside of the lips, that is the corners of the lips. But with the help of this hack, I feel everyone can get the perfect lipstick application, because you can see it's nothing on the corners of the lips. So I feel that this hack is really good and it actually works. So from my side, it's a good hack. Before moving on to the last hack of this video, I want to mention that please make sure that you subscribe to this channel as well as to my other channel. My other channel name is That Okay Miss Hindi. Make sure that you subscribe to my both channels. Alright, so finally moving on to the last and next hack of this video. I feel it's going to be a fun hack if actually it works then. So in this I'm going to use the micellar water, and I'm going to take some micellar water on the cotton pad, and then I'm just going to blow it from my mouth. And if the micellar water forms change into some bubbles kind of form, then I'm going to take this and I'm going to rub this on my face to remove the makeup. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's see whether this hack actually works or not. So for last hack, I feel that this hack is the best fun hack, and it actually works so well because you just have to take some micellar water on the cotton pad and then you blow it from your mouth, and then the form of micellar water changes into the bubble forms, and then you use that on the face to remove the makeup, and it actually removes the waterproof makeup also. So I'm quite impressed with this hack. I feel it's the best hack of this video. So yeah, with that I finish this video. I hope you enjoyed these kind of hacks. So I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you did, so don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel and join the Perky family. You can also subscribe to my other channel, and the name of my other channel is that Perky Miss Hindi. Make sure that you subscribe to my both channels because it will mean a lot to me. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Be happy. Stay connected. Stay happy. Bye bye.